Hello and welcome to this video. Here I will be showing you how you can record your PDU as a certified project management professional. I've received a number of inquiries on this, so I thought to do a video and make it accessible to as much people that need it. So first you want to log on to your Project Management Institute account. So you log in with your email and your password and it brings you here. If what you see doesn't look like this, you just go to your name here beside your DP, right? And click on certifications. Once you click on certifications, you will get on this page. Right here, you will see your certification, PMP in good standing. That's what I have here. Then you scroll down a little bit, you see reports PDUs. Normally, the PDUs are grouped into two categories. The first category is education, where it has to do with you learning something, while the second category has to do with you giving back into the community or, however you are sharing knowledge. So I'll go ahead and click on report PDU. Meanwhile, to retain your certifications, you need 60 PDUs. From my end, I have 12 reported. So I have about 48 to thereabout left to be reported. So under education, here, it's possible to have a PDU claim code if you attended maybe an event or what they call it. If you attended a training and the people that organize the training have some affiliation with PMP, then they can provide you with a code. So you just click on it and impute your code straight up there and you have your PDU. So they will be the one to set how many PDU that you are eligible for based on the training that you bought. So this is course or training. Let's say you went through a course or a training, you click on it. Let me do that. So course or training, you click on it. So you want to say the provider of that course or the training you attended, what is the name of the course? Then you want to briefly describe the course. When did the course start? When did you complete it? All this other information are optional. Then what did you learn from the course? You see here ways of working. If you click on this help sign here, you see that it has to do with knowledge, skills, or behaviors related to specific domains of project, program, and portfolio management. So you want to score yourself, give yourself a unit if you learn anything that was related to specific domains of project, program, or portfolio management. You can give yourself maybe a 0.25 or 0.5, but you want to be modest in the number of PDUs. You have 60 to take in, I think, 3 years. So you don't want to give yourself all in a day, right? So power skills. This one cuts across skills that help an organization achieve business goals. Business acumen, this one has to do with knowledge of expertise in the industry or knowledge that enhances performance and better drivers of business outcomes. So once you give yourself all of these scores, you mustn't impute all. You can do 1 or 2, right? Then it calculates the total. Then you agree and submit. Once you submit, you get an email that you have submitted a request, and after some time, if it is approved, then you get another email that your PDU has been approved. So let me go back to report PDUs so that I can report a particular PDU now and you see how I do it. Now, this one has to do with organization meetings, online or digital media, that you listen to a pre-recorded webinar, a podcast or anything, or you even read a book, right? Let's say you read a book on communication. Communication is an important aspect in product management. You could come here to report that. Or an informal learning. Let's say you were in a group of people and your discussions packed up that revolved around project management or anything that has to do with project program and portfolio management. Then you can come here and report that. So this has to do with education. Then the next one here has to do with giving back. This is you sharing knowledge. Did you work as a practitioner anywhere? Maybe you're working as a project manager, or you handle the project, or you created content like you posted on LinkedIn or something, or you created a webinar, or you gave a presentation somewhere. It could be in church, in a school. You can come here and record it as far as it aligns with or it contributes to things that has to do with project management, right? So you shared your knowledge, you served as a moderator, a mentor, or you volunteered without compensation. You can come here and report it. the same input fields most of the time. So let me report one now on creating content. So I wrote an article on LinkedIn, and I have not recorded my PDU on that. So when you click on it, you see organization, you see title, you see description, you see URL and all. So here I can say self-published. I can say self-published. So I published an article by myself, and let's go and look at the article. So these are the articles I've published. So I could choose to report on this one, how creating a life project charter help ambitious professionals align their goals. So this practically talks about creating a project charter, right? So I can come here and say creating a project charter. So a brief description, right? So I wrote an article on LinkedIn that emphasizes the importance of creating a project charter, how it helps clarify the project vision and aligns the project goal to the business objective. Highlighting, hope that's correct, that projects within an organization, though may be stand alone, ultimately they should contribute to the overall business goal. So I just had to write something very simple for the sake of this. So what you can do when you do a summary like this, AI writing tools can help us refine this better. So you could just copy this and give it a prompt and say, create or improve this description. I intend to use it as a description for reporting my PDU as a certified project management professional, just something like that. And it will turn this into a beautiful summary for you. So URL optional, I can choose to put the URL of the article, right? Contact person, all these are optional. So I want to pick the date that I wrote that article. Let me click on it. Okay, so I wrote this article on the 13th of January 2025. So I will be putting that up there. So January 13th. Yeah. So like I said, you want to be very modest in your choice of PDU. So here I'm even just going to give myself a 0.5. So yes, you can see here status submitted. So processing of this claim can take up to 5 business days. In my experience, it usually takes less actually. You know, you just get an email to say that congratulations, your PDU has been recorded. So I hope this helped. I'm sure it has helped in fact. Thank you for watching.